In this reminder concept, this will comes in the number system topic. Okay, a few companies they are focusing on this area as well. Especially if you are focusing on government jobs, we can find questions from this concept as well. Reminders. So before going for this concept, let us start with a very basic thing. Okay, here I am putting R means consider it's like a reminder. Now when 99 is divided by 7, what is the reminder? Here question is like R 99 by 7 means what is the remainder when 99 is divided by 7? So what's the answer? When 99 is divided by 7 remainder? What you have to do? Yeah, divide 99 with 7. So 7, 1 times 7 still 29 is there. 4 times 28 remainder 1. This is very basic. I am starting from basic. First you should understand what is my question. Reminder. Here my focus is only on reminder. Don't say 14. 14 is what? What is 14 here? Quotient. Not coefficient, quotient. And this is what called as reminder. This is divisor, all those things. Fine. So similarly, okay, many are doing mistake regarding this. Let me go ahead and ask me the question. When 4 is divided by 8, what is the remainder? Many are doing some mistake. I just want to avoid that in the initial stage itself. When 4 divided by 8, what is the remainder? Remainder is 4. 4 is less than 8. We cannot divide. We have to take 4. Don't cancel 4 ones, 4 twos, 1 by 2, sir. Nothing like 4 is less than 8. 4 cannot be divided by 8. Simply say remainder is 4. Don't cancel numerator and denominator and saying that 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, 1 remainder, something like is not allowed. And okay, this is again important. Third one, simple thing, but still people doing mistake is this. 20 divided by 5, what is the remainder? 20 divided by 5, remainder is 0. Don't say 4. 4 is quotient. Some people doing that. So 20 divided by 5, we need 4. Okay, but you are putting 0. But our focus is clearly here. Reminders. We are focusing only on reminder here. Right. So, sir, why we have to learn this concept? In exam, it will be definitely a time saver. I'll let you know. See this one sample question. Okay, suppose I want to find the remainder when 27 multiplied by 37 multiplied by 47 multiplied by 57 multiplied by 67. For this entire product, when it is divided by 11, I want to find the remainder. 27 into 37, 47, 57, 67, you need to find that product, then divide by 11. What is the remainder is the question. Now for doing this question, is it possible to do it in 1 minute? What are the methodology you have in your mind? It's not easy task, but okay, we'll have a certain logic now. We can solve within a minute. So how can you do that, sir? 27 divided by 11, what is the remainder? When 27 divided by 11? Remainder is 5. I want remainder, I replace with 5, don't put 2. 2 is quotient. Remainder is 5. Cancel and put remainder 5. When 37 divided by 11? 4. 4. 11 3 times. 33. 4 is the remainder. Here 3. Here 2. Here 1. Now some of you have a doubt. Sir, how many times you are dividing by 11, sir? Is it allowed? You take in denominator only 111, but you are dividing with 11 n number of times. Yeah, you can do n number of times until numerator is less than denominator. You check here. You also have only divided by 7 only, but I did first time, second time. I am dividing by 7 until unless numerator is less than denominator. You can do n number of times. 111 one time not required. You can do n number of times until numerator is less than denominator. Now, okay, sir, still there is a numbers. Yeah, 5 into 4 is what? 20. 20 divided by 11, what is the remainder? Like that, or do the entire product also, no problem. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. Now, question is like 120 divided by 11, what is the remainder is nothing but 10. 11 10 times 110. 10 is the remainder. Or there is other concept called negative remainder. There are 3 points. We can say remainder is 0. You know, when 20 divided by 5, you said remainder is 0. Remainder is positive. There is one more concept called negative remainder. What is that, sir? See, 11 times, what is 11 times? 121. 120 is one short of that, right? I can say minus 1 is the remainder also here. For calculation purpose, I agree. Okay, at the end of the result, we have to say only from 0 to 10 only. When you are dividing any number with 11, the remainder range is 0 to 10. When I am dividing any number with 5, my remainder should be from 0 to 4 only. Okay, negative is not allowed, but for calculation purpose, going forward we are going to apply that also. Okay, you can also call minus 1 remainder here. Minus 1 as a remainder. Minus 1 also correct. 11 times 121. 120 is one short of that. 1 less than that. If it is 118, no, 118 means minus 3 I can write. 11 times 121. Minus 3 means 3 short of 121. 118 is 3 short of 121. So you have to know about negative remainder also. Not for this question, going forward definitely it will help you. Right, so this is also basic thing. Okay, hope you people copied the thing. So maintain that notes parallelly. So, remainder concept. 99 divided by 7, remainder 1. 4 divided by 8, remainder is 4. 20 divided by 5, remainder 0. Right, so see the next one. Straightforward, we'll go for the questions in our booklet. Okay, so we'll see what level they're given. This is all basic, but here this is the question. 9 power 99. 9 power 99, when it is divided by 8, what is the remainder is the question. Nine power 99 divided by 8, what is the remainder? Right, so you can mention like remainder 1 when 9 power 99 divided by 8. Okay, one way of solving this is, what is 9 divided by 8 remainder? So I can write 1 power 99 divided by 8. What is 1 power 99? 1. Can we divide 1 with 8? No, so answer is 1. Question given in CTS company already. Some people are not understanding what is happening. Okay, you can write 9 power 99 as 9 into 9 into 9, so on up to 99 times, right? When you are dividing by 8, okay, when 9 divided by 8, we know as like previous question, 9 divided by 8, 1 remainder, 1 remainder, 1 remainder. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, it's 1 only. We can split like this and you can handle. Or directly 9 divided by 8, 1, 1 power 99. 1 power 99 is 1. See, any question, at the end, it should end, okay, go for 1 power 99 or minus 1 power 99 like that. Minus also. If it is same question, 7 power 99 is there, let us say. So why that negative remainder is going to help us, or how it is going to help us. So I will show the next question where your negative remainder is going to help you. And this question, I hope you are clear with this, right? 9 power 99 divided by 8. Have you got 1 as the answer? That 1 power 99, 1 is remainder. Okay. Now the other question I am extending, not there in the booklet, but I am extending one question here. Remainder when 7 power 77 divided by 8. Okay. This question, there is another method, we be using positive reminders also. 7 divided by 8, 7 is the remainder. Okay, as 7 cannot be divided by 8, we should write as 7 square, 7 cube like that. There is one method. I will let you know in two ways of solving this question. The advantage of negative remainder now, when 7 divided by 8, I can say remainder is minus 1. 8 1 times 8, but numerator is 7. It is 1 short of 8. Or else I can write 7 power 99 as 8 minus 1. Is this allowed? Okay, I think this is better for you to understand. 8 minus 1 to the power. Is it? Nothing wrong, right? Okay. Then finally what will happen now? I will go minus 1 power 77. How minus 1, sir? How can you convert from there to here? Now let me know what is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If it is a minus b whole cube, okay, except the last term minus b cube, remaining all is having a. If you go for a plus b whole power 4 or a plus b whole power n also, in maybe during your intermediate or during your probability of permutation combination, there is binomial theorem if I am not wrong. A plus b whole power n, nc naught a power n, nc1 a power n, a power n minus 1 b power 1, nc2 a power n minus 2 b square, so on ncn b power n. Except the last term, remaining all are having a. Means here if you expand now, all terms are having 8 except last term minus 1 whole power 77. When 8 is there, it's divided by 8, remainder 0. Writing that is waste. Terms with 8, denominator 8, it will give remainder 0. So only term without 8 is last term. As you mentioned, a square 2ab b square. B square. That b only not having a. Last term only, that's why minus 1 whole power 77. That's the idea behind this. Or else what I told you simply, 8 1 times 8, 7 is 1 shortage, directly write minus 1 whole power 77. If it is 6 by 8, no, you can write minus 2. 8 1 8, 6 is 2 shortage. 15 divided by 8 also I can write minus 1 by 15 divided by 8 minus 1. 8 2 times 16. 15 is 1 shortage of 8 multiple. It's not only about 8. 8 multiples also. 8 2 times 16. 15 means 1 shortage. Okay, that directly you can go, or else this is the idea behind that. Okay, minus 1 whole power, the idea I am just giving you, or directly you can attack. What is minus 1 whole power 77? Minus 1. Okay. See, generally when any number is divided by 8, no, the remainder should be from 0 to 7 only. I cannot go for negative. This negative concept we bring it for simplification, for doing that answer, or maybe to solve the question with less steps. Same question without negative also I will explain next. 7 power 77 without entertaining negative remainder also I will explain. Same answer you will get, but it will take more steps. Okay, so now minus 1 divided by 8 means, okay, minus 1 cannot be divided by 8. Your answer should be always positive, means 1 short of 8. What is 1 short of 8? If it is minus 2 divided by 8, then what should be your answer? 2 short of 8, answer should be 6. Minus 1, answer should be, as I mentioned earlier, we should, when any number is divided by 8, remainder should be from 0 to 7, not minus 1. Negative is not allowed actually. Negative concept we bring for simplification purpose. So can we solve this question without any of that? Yes. Without any of this, whatever the discussion, we can solve. There is third method also. I'll give you what is flexible to you apply. This is first method. Method 1. Second method for the same question. Here one step ahead you have to think 7 power 77 divided by 8, right? Now 7 cannot be divided by 8. Then I should write that 7 power 77 in terms of 7 square or 7 cube like that. So which one to write? You have to think what is 7 square? 49. 49 divided by 8. Remainder 1. 1 power anything will be 1. Then it is easy. So we should write 7 square is better. So 7 power 77, how can you write 7 square? Write it first as 7 into 7 power 76. Nothing wrong, right? Now 7 power 76 can be written as 7 square to the power 38. Anything mistake so far? What is 7 square? Divide by 8. Remainder 1. 1 power 38. 7 into 1. 7 divided by 8. Remainder. Same answer. Whether you apply negative or positive, you will get same answer. But here, whether, sir, what I have to perform, 7 square or 7 cube or 7 power 4, that you need to think in your mind for a while. Every question end with minus power 1 power something or plus 1 power something. Some extra factor. Multiplied with 7 or 7 square, something extra there. But definitely, okay, that is the ending point. 1 power something or minus 1 power something will be ending. This is concept oriented, sir. Formula, no formula, sir. Denominator 1 value change, numerator 1 power decrease or 1 value changing, entire answer will change. No by hatting. All pure concept this is. Okay, that's why for high level companies, no, they are asking this concept. 7 square 49. Okay, 49 divided by 38 will give 1 as, sorry, divide by 8 will give 1 as the remainder. 1 power 38 will be 1. So 7 into 1, 7. Divide by 8, we cannot divide. So when numerator is less than denominator, numerator is your answer. 5 divided by 8, remainder 5. 7 divided by 8, remainder is 7. This is second method. Now same question, third method also I will give. Because some questions you may feel this method is okay, some questions other method okay. I am giving all methods, okay, injecting in your mind. You select which is preferable. It's all choice for you. When you have multiple methods, no, always you have a freedom to work on. Any doubt at any point, please let me know. After this, I'll give one question. Okay, all 3 methods you need to apply. I'll check all the 3 methods in your books. After this, I'll give one other question. So before that, I'll give third method. I'll ask you the doubts as well. Okay, you can change any numerator, any denominator. You give me one question, I'll work out and give you the answer. Then it's time for your questions. Done with this? Now same question, third method also I'm giving. Same question, third method. So the question for us is, what is the numerator? We taken 7 power 77, which one? 7 power 77 divided by 8, right? So what we can do? So 7 power 77, right? So here what you can do? First analyze with 7 power 1, 7 square, 7 cube, 7 power 4. What is the answer? Believe me, after some time the cycle is going to repeat. Suppose 7 power 1 answer is 7. 7 divided by 8. 7 square divided by 8 answer is 1, right? After some time the same cycle will repeat. So you can analyze that way also. That is the third method. But sometimes it will take after 10 numbers it will start repeating. It may start repeating after 3 numbers. That we cannot predict. It can start immediately, every number, same remainder every time, or after 2 steps the same remainder will repeat, or after 3 steps same remainder may repeat. It depends. We cannot guess initially. So okay, this is a pure time taken also sometimes, but this is one method you can keep in mind. So first I will analyze with 7 power 1. What is 7 power 1 divided by 8 remainder? Remainder 7. Next 7 square divided by 8. What is the remainder? 1. See, in any question, when you got 1 as the remainder, no, then cycle will next same thing will repeat. Next one, what will happen? 7 cube, right? 7 cube can be written as 7 square into 7. 7 square 1 into 7 is 7. You are getting cycle. So after 2 reminders, 2 powers, we are getting same remainder. So this is 7 square. I want for 7 power 3. When you try 7 power 3, so 7 power 3, 343. You do like that. Or 7 power 3 can be written as 7 square into 7. It's your wish, dear. You can take 343 divided by 8. Remainder you will get 7 only. 344 is exactly divided by 8. 343 will give remainder 7. Or else you can try like this, 7 square into 7 divided by 8. When 7 square divided by 8, no, remainder is 1. 1 into 7 is 7. 7 cannot be divided, we got 7. Next 7 power 4, how to do is 7 square into 7 square. 1 into 1, 1. So we are getting same remainders again and again. And you can check it out, when power is odd number, remainder is 7. When power is even number, remainder will 1. For this question, don't fix for everything. Instead of 7, now I got 11 power 77, then answer will be different. If I got 11 power 77 here, answer will be different. Don't fix this for every question. This is pure concept oriented, no formula. Only methodology. Depends on numerator 1 value changing or denominator 1 value changing or power 1 value changing, your answer will be differ. Now the answer is 7 simply. How, sir? That's what I said. When power is odd number, no, this is odd number. Answer is 7. Here odd number. Answer is 7. For even numbers, this is even number. Again one more even number you can try. 7 power 4. As just now mentioned, 7 power 4 can be written as 7 square into 7 square. Or 7 square whole square anyway. 7 square divided by 8, 1 remainder, 1 into 1, 1. 1 divided by 8, remainder is 1 only. So when power is even, we are getting 1 is the answer. When power is odd, 7 is the answer. So here power is odd number, that's why answer is 7. This is third method. For some questions, third method is easy. For some questions, first method, negative remainder, positive remainder. Mix up also you can use. So one step I use positive, next step I use negative, it's your wish. But okay, that when you take minus 2, how to handle that? Minus 2 divided by 8 means remainder is 6. That points you need to keep in your mind. Now, okay, copy this. I am just showing you first 2 methods. After that, I'll give time. If you have any doubts, please get it clarified. Then we'll go for questions as well. For the same question, 3 methods. First one is this. Now when I display one question, few of you people will solve in one way, other way, but finally, if your procedure is correct, everybody will get same answer. Whether you use positive or negative or mixing of both, it's all up to you, but finally you will get same answer only. There is no problem, I am sure for that. Next one, cyclicity, that depends, dear. Some questions cyclicity will give the answer very fast. Some questions it will take more time also. This is actually called cyclicity concept. After some powers, same cycle is repeating. Same reminders is repeating. When something is repeating after some time, it's called cyclicity process. In cycle, we know right after every round again we'll come to the same position. So, cyclic process. Yeah, hope you copied. Now, before going for this question also, next 2 questions also, I want, okay, any question from your end. Numerator something, denominator something, okay. Let me handle that, then I'll give some question for you. You decide me, okay, what is the numerator, what is the denominator. Depends on the values, it will take some time, okay, some time also, extra time also. Fine, let it be. Yeah, you give me one question now. Numerator a power m divided by b. You decide a, m, b and values. Going forward, you may need to write the program for this also. They may ask you in TCS company some question A, M, B you need to give as the inputs, and your program should generate the remainder. Yeah, why can't? Every concept in this subject, no? Okay, you can start programming. You can create your own program. Same thing you explain the interview. Okay, some concept like this you explain for the interviewer and you write program for that. No, that's what where you stand alone compared to other people. For any question, a number, power, something, denominator if I give, your program should give the reminder. Okay, so to generate program in that way, no, it will take time. Don't use your Python, that math.h or some predefined things. That is waste of. Okay, there is a predefined files if you use, then your knowledge is nothing there. You create your own. Maybe compared to the header files what they created, you can create better with the knowledge of concept. You may create better. Right? So you decide now what can be done. What's the question? Fine. First, I want a power m, b power n, right? B divided by b. What should be the number? Big numbers also, no worry. We'll start doing. Yeah? 60? Somebody said. What's your roll number, madam? Last 3 digits? Yours. 6958958. Okay. What's your roll number? 30. Okay, power 30. Fine. So denominator, my roll number 32. So during my BTech, so let us take it. May be a big number. We'll try now. Okay, so 958 power 30 divided by 32. We need to find the remainder. And here cyclicity process will definitely take more time. Okay, because 958 power 1, power 2, it will take more time. Better you go with the mixing of positive and negative remainders both. First 958 divided by 32, what is the remainder? We'll check. Or there is one more point here. I think remainder will be 0. Why remainder 0? It will be divided by 32 for sure, because 958, right? It's 2 into something. It's an even number, right? I can write 2 into something. Means 2 power 30. 2 into something power 30. 2 power 30 is there. 2 power 30 is definitely divided by 32. 32 means 2 power 5. 2 power 30 is definitely divided by 32. The remainder is 0. Okay, this question now without starting itself, the question closed. Okay, but you can, remaining questions. Fine, I think we'll see one here what we given. In your booklet also some good number. Denominator 2 digit also don't afraid it. We can solve the question easily, no worries. Here the question is 334 power 334 divide by 7. I want reminder. Everybody try this. Remainder 0 is acceptable, don't worry. When a number is divided by 7, remainder 0 to 6 is allowed. Answer? Four, 2, 1. Okay. So when 334 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 5. I can put minus 2. Which one better, which is small value? So each step what I can use, whether it is positive or negative, which one better is small value. Small value preferable. As you mentioned, yes, 5 remainder I agree. But instead of 5 remainder, no, take minus 2. 5 divided by 7, I can say remainder minus 2 also. Which one to be taken is very simple, smaller value. Minus 2 is better to calculation. I can take minus 2 power 334. Right. Okay. Next, minus 2 power even number is 2 only. It's simply 2 power 334 divided by 7. Up to here, is it clear? First we taken minus 2 only, yes. As power is even number, we got it as a plus 2. It's converted. Fine. Now, what is the next step, sir? Can you divide 2 with 7? No, then you have to reduce the power. You can take 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, whatever it might be. Which one is better, 2 square or 2 cube? 2 cube is better. 2 square, no, 4 divided by 7, no. 2 cube, 8 divided by 7, 1 reminder. I said every question, no, end with 1 power something or minus 1 power something. Definitely, or else that question cannot end. As powers are huge, okay, 1 power something or minus 1 power something must required. Here, yes, okay, I can say this 2 cube is required. Whether it is 2 power 4 or 2 cube, we thought, okay, 2 square, 4 cannot be divided by 7. 2 cube 8, 8 divided by 7, 1 reminder, 1 power something easy for us. So I want you power as 3 multiple. 334 is not 3 multiple. I should write this as 2 into 3, 2 power 333. Why? 2 power 1, okay, when powers can be added. A power m into a power n, right? So now this 2 power 333 can be written as 8 power 11, so 111. 2 cube whole power 11, right? 333 is 3 into 111. 2 cube means 8. 8 power that. Okay, what is 8 divided by 7 is 1 remainder. So when it is 1 power 111 also 1. Okay, answer is 2. 2 into 1. Okay, 2 divided by 7. Numerator less than denominator, we can stop. Answer is nothing but 2. You check it out, 8 divided by 7, 1 is the remainder. 1 power 111 is nothing but 1. 2 power 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 cannot be divided by 7, numerator less than denominator. So answer is 2. Cyclicity also you can try, but it will take time. 333, 334 divided by 7, 334 square divided by 7. It will take bit time. Next question, try 20th one. This is 334 power 334 divided by 7. What is the remainder? Next one is this 3 power 77 divided by 8. After this, I'll give one question where it will take more time for you to track the answer. Then I'll give another method. So I hope you are done with this. Done with this question. Then you try this. 3 power 77 divided by 8. Yes. 3. Good. 3 is correct answer. We know 3 square is 9. 9 divided by 8. 3 cannot be divided by 8. Then what you have to write, 3 square or 3 cubes like that. So which is better is 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 divided by 8, 1 remainder. So if you want power as even, I have to write 3 power 77 as, okay, 3 power 1 into, okay, 3 power 76, which is 9 power 38 we can write. When 9 divided by 8, 1 remainder. So it will be 3 into 1, 3. 3 divided by 8, remainder is 3. But think about programming, how you can give the inputs to your program, how you can write the logic, because it can stop at any place. You can try cyclicity also. Cyclicity is standard method, you can write program, but some questions it will take more time to do. Think about programming prospects for all concepts in this subject. You can try all multiple things. Right, so we'll give one question as a task for you, because this question maybe some people will take time to handle. I'll just give one simple question. 5 power 54 divided by 30. What is the remainder? 5 power 54 divided by 30. What is the remainder? The focus here in this question is I want to just give one extra point. Okay, like numerator and denominator can be divided by a common number. My thought process behind this question why I given for you is numerator and denominator can be divided by some common number. Which number we can divide here? We can divide by 5. At then, okay, while you get the answer, you have to multiply by 5. There is a logic. Initially, you can divide by 5. At then, you can the answer can be multiplied by 5. I'll show you already solved with one method. Okay, I'll get use that method also. Here, numerator, denominator both can be divided by 5. Then wait, in answer I have to multiply by 5. When you divide by 5, you know what will happen numerator? 5 power 53. Denominator will be 6. 5 cannot be divided by 6. What you can put? Remainder as minus 1. Negative remainder concept you can keep. So minus 1 power 53. Yeah, minus 1 power 53 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 cannot be divided by 6, but we have to say remainder is 5. But listen, now don't say answer is 5. Initially you divided by 5. To give justification, at the end you need to multiply by 5. Okay, what is that logic, sir? You may have a doubt. What is this logic behind this, right? So my simple point is, what is 4 divided by 8 remainder? We discussed in introduction. Can I divide numerator denominator with 4? Can I divide with numerator and denominator with 4? You know 4 divided by 8, 4 cannot be divided by 8, remainder is 4. We know that already. But if there is a common thing in numerator and denominator with 4, I divided with 4. 1 divided by 2, what is the remainder? 1. But answer is not 1. As I divide by 4 initially, to get the correct answer I have to multiply by 4. The answer is 4. The same logic we are applying here. We divided numerator denominator with 5 initially, and to compensate that, at the end we need to multiply by 5. To get the answer, no, you need to multiply by 5. You do the entire part, whatever the answer you got, at the end multiply by 5. This is one logic. Some people are doing like, sir, I'll write 5 cube 125. 34 times 120, 5 remainder. You can do like that also. There are n number of ways. Okay, you can write as 5 square or 5 cube. Yeah, 5 square 25, sir. 25 divided by 30, negative remainder 5 minus 5. Or you can do 5 cube also, 125. 5 is the remainder, 34 times 120. Like that it will keep repeating. What is the problem? When you have same number divided in numerator and denominator, the cycle won't complete. It will keep going. We'll write 5 power something again 5 power something. It will take time to end. Okay, that will happen only when there is something common in numerator and denominator. The original methodology, if you don't know this concept, what I am telling you here and why we are discussing this question also, the original methodology, if you try, I'll show you now. the normal method to solve this question, it will take n number of steps to complete. So the procedure normal thing for this question is, as you mentioned, 5 power 54 divided by 30, right? Okay, 5 cannot be divided by 30, 5 square cannot be divided by 30. I can write 5 cube, 125, power 18. So 5 cube divided by 5 cube means 125. Divide by 30, 34 times 125 is the remainder. I got 5 power 18. Again 5 cannot be divided by 30. 5 square cannot be divided by 30. I should write 5 cube. So 5 cube power 6. 5 cube means again 125. 125 divided by 30, 5 remainder. 5 power 6. 5 power 6 can be written as 5 cube into 5 cube. 125 divided by 30, 5 remainder. 125 divided by 30, 5 remainder. 5 into 5, 25. 25 divided by 30, remainder is 25. 25 cannot be divided by 30, so remainder is 20. This is straightforward method, but it is taking more time, more cycles, because there is something common in numerator and denominator. Same number common in numerator, denominator. Sir, how can I decide 5 square or 5 cube, 5 power 4? I said already, okay, 5 square, 25 cannot be divided by 30. You can, if you want, you can put it and put minus 5, negative remainder concept. Or else you can go for 5 cube range. You can keep doing that. It will take more time to come down to the answer. Same answer, multiple methods. Reminders concept. What is divisibility by 4 rule? Divisible by 4 rule? Last 2 digits, right? That will help you to find remainder also, you know. Not only this question, to find the remainders, the same logic can be applied. So let us say the question might be like, you have a big number, I want to find remainder for this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 5 divided by 4. I want remainder for this. R stands for remainder. Then what you can do, you take only 95. Divide by 4, remainder is 3. Divisibility rule you can apply. You take last 2 digits only, divide by 4. When 95 divided by 4, remainder is 3. 96 is divided by 4 exactly. Or 423 times 92. 423 times 92. Okay, 3 is the remainder. 95 means. You take last 2. You can use those divisibility rules. Okay, if you have a big number like this, divide by 4, you can apply that. In fact, divided by 9, what is divisibility by 9 rule? Sum of digits. Now, same question I can ask you, divided by 9, what is the answer? You can apply the same concept, you know. Divided by 9, what is the remainder? Okay. 9 divided by 9, remainder 0. See, when you have 9, no, you can ignore it. 9 can be divided by 9, no need of adding. 1 plus 8 is 9, no need of adding. 2 plus 7, 9. Or else you add, and then it will cancel and it will be same answer only. Waste of time. When you divide by 9, sum of digits should be divided by 9. 9 can be divided by 9, waste. 1 plus 8, 9, waste to add. 2 plus 7, waste to add. 3 plus 5, plus 5. What is the total? 13. 13 divided by 9, remainder is 4. You check in your mobile or calculator also, remainder will be 4. Or sir, no, you said sum of digits. Yeah, take entire sum of digits, what will happen? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 26, 35, 40. 40 divided by 9, what is the remainder? 9, 4 times 36, 4, 4 only. Same only will come. Okay, instead of taking that 9 multiples, you can remove it. That's what maybe long back I said. When you see like 199 is there, no? If you do sum of digits, 1 only will come. 9 is dummy. 129 means 9 you can stop. 1 plus 2, 3. 9979, 7 is the value. Sum of digits, you will get finally 7 only. 9979. 9s are dummy there. Okay, you can add that also. That's what I wantedly removed that 9s before adding. So that's one safe game. Or if you want to add all, then you decide the answer. Also, it's up to you. It's all up to you. You can use my Thought Pro series, you can use the divisibility concept still. Divided by 5, you can see last digit. Divided by 10, you people know. So you can use those tricks here, divisibility rules, to handle the questions. So this is entire regarding reminders concept. Anything in your mind, okay, some question, something power something divided by something, if you have anything in your mind, please let me know. We'll discuss that question. It can be 2-digit number in denominator, no problem. Numerator, any digits, no problem. Depends on that, it will take bit time, that's it.